Can we have your attention, please? Ladies and gentlemen, in just a couple of minutes, our train's going to make a reverse movement into Union Station. Ladies and gentlemen, as we back our train into the station, we ask that all passengers please remain seated. The train will rock from side to side as it backs into Union Station, so for your personal safety, please remain seated. Also, ladies and gentlemen, once our train reaches the station platform, the train's going to make 2 stops. Ladies and gentlemen, when we experience that first stop at the station platform, once again, please remain seated. After that first stop, the conductor will back the train up 250 feet to its final stop. When we come to that second and final stop, we will begin the detraining process. So once again, our train is going to back into Union Station. Please remain seated. Also, please remain seated when we experience that first stop once we reach the station platform. Thank you.